Today I want to tell you something which can make change in your life. Just like it changed me. Something that changed my perspective towards everything. Something that made me a different person. Something that made me more forgiving, more loving. According to me, that something worked for me is what I realized that I have my parents, my sisters, and all my loving persons surrounded by me because of someone. Yes, because of someone I have everything in my life. I am here making this video in front of you is just for something that made me to make this video for you. But we don't say thank you to that someone. And this is the one little thing we need to develop within us. It will really make change. Believe me. I myself, I really don't know who is him. Is it he or she? But I know that whosoever he is, it makes me a better person. And I believe that there is someone, and we need to thank him for everything he gave us and for everything he is giving us. Many stresses and whatever happens with us is done by him, and it's for our ultimate good. All this happens has a purpose, has a reason behind it, and it's a part of its overall plan. Yes, we all call him the name of God. We should thanks to God for the every single day he made us wake up. We should thank him for giving us this life. I myself thanks to God every single morning for giving me a life which is full of happiness. Sometimes I became very sad, but to the very next step I feel happy. That's what we call life cycle. This sadness and happiness which repeats itself in a cyclic manner. And that's the life. That's we call life. And thanks for giving me all I need. Thanks for guiding me in the right path of peace and salvation. Thank you for the strength you give me each day. And thank you for all the peoples who makes my life better, meaningful. God's wisdom is beyond of human understanding. Just have faith in him.